In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Facebook domain in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, scroll down and go to the Shopify App Store. Once you're there, search for Facebook and Instagram. You'll usually find it right on the front page, but if not, just use the search bar. Click on Facebook and Instagram, then click Install. Confirm by clicking Install again, and it will be added to your Shopify store. After installation, you'll see the option to Get Started. Click on it, and then click Connect Account. A new window will open where you'll need to log in using your Facebook account. Make sure you have your login details ready. Next, you'll need to connect your Facebook business portfolio. If you don't already have one, you can create it right there with just one click, and it will be set up instantly. After that, Shopify will connect to Meta. You'll want to provide as much accurate information as possible so that Facebook can properly target your ads and optimize their placement. Once everything is connected, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and then click Submit. This usually takes around 15 to 30 seconds to finalize. When it's complete, you'll see the status marked as active, which means your Facebook domain is now verified on Shopify. You can also go to settings at any time to disconnect it if needed, and that's it. That's how simple it is to verify your Facebook domain in Shopify. If you don't already have a Shopify account, check out the link in the description to register. You'll get 3 months for only $1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.